Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 tips for growing your email list. So if you want to learn how to grow an email list of 1,000 subscribers, 5,000, 10,000, even 100,000 subscribers, then keep watching this video. Hey, it's Aurelius Chin from aureliuschin.com, helping you succeed online so you can enjoy life offline. And in this video, I want to share with you some of the ways that I've incorporated into my own online business to go from 0 subscribers all the way to the tens of thousands of subscribers. And I'd say by far, email marketing has been my #1 asset because I've been able to follow up on my subscribers and send out any promotions or any launches that I have. So it's like on demand, you'll be able to send out your promotions or any articles or content that you've just published online. You can gain traffic and traction into your own online business by having your own database of subscribers. You know, social media is all good with YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, but at the end of the day, you want to be able to have full control over your audience by building your online business on someone else's platform. This is also known as sharecropping, whereby you're building on someone else's platform. Back in the days, you know, when people would have land, they would basically rent out some space and some land so that other people can grow their crops. So you got to think of it in that way, where if you're going to build your online business, you don't want it to be so vulnerable in a state where if what happens one day, if your account goes down for some unknown reason, and I've seen this happen multiple times by people with hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram, and sometimes they get demonetized on YouTube. So think about that first before you build all your subscribers and your audience on just one platform. But without further ado, I want to share with you the 7 tips to growing your email list. Now, the first and most important tip I can give you is to make sure that you have a lead magnet. And if you're wondering how to create a lead magnet or how to get started to create a lead magnet, be sure to click above this video. Well, I'll link up a link to another video on how to create a lead magnet. But that is the first step, because nowadays you can't just say subscribe to my newsletter or subscribe to my email list. It's just not enough. You got to have something enticing enough for people to enter their email address. Your lead magnet could be something as simple as a 10-page report or a 1-page resource list of your favorite tools and resources and apps. I've got a 5-day email course on entrepreneurial mindset. So that is my lead magnet. And that's something I give away in exchange for my audience's email. By having a lead magnet in place, you'll increase your conversion rates dramatically. So that's the first tip and most important before you actually move on to grow your email list. Now, the second way to build your email list, and one that I've used to boost my email list, is to do email ad swaps. Email ad swaps is not about buying email lists. And in fact, I don't even endorse or recommend that you buy email lists, because not only is the quality going to be poor, you're most likely also going to be filtered for spam and you'll be blacklisted from a lot of mail servers. That's not what you want to do. What email ad swaps is basically collaborating with other list owners in your industry. So let's say you're in the meditation niche. You want to go and approach other people in that industry and see if they'll be interested in doing some sort of promotion swap, where you're also approaching that list owner and saying, hey, here's an email that you can send out to your email list, or feel free to write your own, where your subscribers can get a free copy of my ebook or video course, whatever it may be. It could be a lead magnet too. Whatever it may be, that is what you want to give away for their subscribers. And in exchange, you promote that other list owners give away too. The way to make this fair is to have some sort of agreement. So if you're going to send 100 clicks to that link in that email that you're sending out for that list owner, then they should also do the same. And that's how I've been able to do it successfully with other list owners. So if that other list owner is sending, let's say 100 clicks to your lead magnet, then, and your conversion rate is about 20 to 30%, that's about 20 to 30 new subscribers that you'll gain. And if you can collaborate with multiple other people in your industry, then that's the way to boost your email subscriber list. Now, number 3 is to make sure you put a call to action in all your social media profiles. In LinkedIn, you can add it into your bio and say something like, be sure to subscribe to my email list where you'll get a 5-day email course on how to whatever it may be. And that is a call to action. You want to make sure you put it in everywhere, make it very bold, make it obvious so people know what there is that you can give of value. All right, the 4th way is to launch a low price product. And this means that you create a product that is based around maybe $7 to $10. And what you're going to do is give 100% commissions to those who promote it. So you do need an affiliate program. So then your affiliates will be able to promote it and gain 100% of that sale. In exchange, you're getting and building an email database, not just an email database, but a customer list, which is a whole lot more valuable. Now, the 5th way might sound simple, but a lot of people overlook this and don't actually do it. And that is to put a call to action in your email signature. That means every time you respond to a customer, client, or any help desk request, then there is a link to your lead magnet if they do want to opt in for that. But by showing it in front of them, there's a high chance of them opting in. The call to action in your email signature could be as simple as putting it in your PS. So, PS, do you want a free 5-day email course on blank, whatever it may be? And that is it. You link it up and they go straight to opt in for that lead magnet. All right, number 6 is to be active on one forum or Facebook group. And the reason why I say just one is because you want to be able to dedicate and put your time and energy into just one platform, focus in on that, as opposed to joining dozens of other Facebook groups or Google communities, whatever it may be. So then you'll be the authority, you'll be the go-to person for that subject, niche, or topic. With forums, you're able to put a bio at the end of every single response that you post up on whatever thread that may be. And that is your opportunity. That's the opportunity to put your call to action to your lead magnet. All right, last but definitely not least is number 7, and that is to run a giveaway event. When I started out online, I wanted a way to build an email list fast. And how I went about it was I started a giveaway event where I had dozens, I think even up to 100 contributors who were willing to give away their paid product and free product to the giveaway event. And so I actually approached many industry experts at that time through forums, and that was the major platform back then before social media came about. And so I simply asked them, do you want to give away your ebook in exchange for subscribers? And so all these and dozens of industry experts gave a link to the lead magnet, and I just put it into a membership portal where people were able to sign up to receive dozens of free gifts. And so you can use this approach in any industry you'd like. And this goes and ties back to kind of like number 2, and that is collaborating with other people in your field. So what you'll be doing is sort of like a 7-day giveaway event where all these people who are contributing, they are pushing traffic and their subscribers over to your website where their subscribers and other contributors push the traffic and therefore gaining you an email list. What would help these contributors to actually promote your giveaway event is to make sure you have some sort of package or product in your upsell sales funnel. So the actual giveaway is free. They can sign up, other people can sign up to gain access to all these gifts from contributors. But what you can have as an upsell or one-time offer is this package that you put together. So therefore, these contributors will actually get a commission for every referral they make. Don't feel like you need dozens of contributors to run your giveaway event. You can start with just 3 contributors. And so start small, and then you can gain some traction, perhaps even do another event. And these giveaway events are good to run on special occasions. I've seen giveaway events around the Christmas event or Easter. So that's what you want to harness and leverage on. Alright, so there you go. I hope these tips have helped you start or grow your email list. So if you found this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this, click that like button and be sure to subscribe to this channel, hitting that bell notification icon so then you'll be alerted of any new videos I post up on this channel. Be sure to continue watching these related videos to help you grow your online business. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.